Hi everyone, it's Lauren. I want to tell you about these beautiful pencils that I have been using for a few months. They're called BLACKWING Pencils and they come in these beautiful boxes, 12 in one box, and the pencil is just beautiful. Look at these. The beautiful shine. I hope you can see this. This is the gray 602 that I've been using. It has this beautiful paint on the pencil, the body of the pencil itself, because they use several layers of paint to create this beautiful shine. And the casing for the eraser is this beautiful gold color. It's so pretty. And if you notice, they have these metal tips coming out. That's because you can actually slide off the eraser. And like me, if you use your eraser more than the pencil and you're left with a pencil with no eraser, this is the best choice ever. You can just change your eraser. They come in a set of 10. And look at these colors. I got the orange one. They come in 10 to 12 different colors. And orange and white and the gray, dark gray are the ones that I got. And I thought orange would go really well with my pearl and gray pencil. So you can customize your own pencil. Look how beautiful these are. Best quality wood for the pencil and the best quality graphite, actually cedar wood from California. They are wonderful, and if you're someone that actually does illustration or writing as a career, or you're just like me, you just love to write and draw, and you actually do use pencil and paper, not just your phone. And I love writing instruments. I have drawers full and vases full of pencils and fountain pens that I just leave around so I can look at them and use them. I just love the way a good pencil or a good fountain pen writes. They come in this gorgeous box. They come in these beautiful colors that tells you what grade they are. Like this one is 602. This is the one I'm using. And the pearl, this is the darkest one. And you can see the color of the erasers here. Orange, white, light gray, and the dark gray, kind of like black. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. Just gorgeous pencils. And they also have sharpener made in Germany. And if you can see, I hope you can, it's 2 little screws and you can replace the blade. So if it goes dull, don't get rid of your pencil sharpener. You can replace the blade. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I just had to share this with you because this is just, like I said, if you're someone who likes to write or just started writing and you enjoy writing a journal or just regular notes, give these pencils a try. You will love them. Thank you again. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much. See you soon.